Hi all, welcome to the video. In this video we'll look at how we can replace some elements from a text string using functions that are available in R. For replacement purpose I am not going to use string R. Instead I am going to use functions that are available in base R. I've been using these functions from the very start, even though there are functions available in string.r that can replace elements within a string, but I like to prefer what I have been using so far, and they are equally efficient. So I've created a data frame, and if I just look at the data frame, so again there is a patient ID column and then there is a therapy. Now the goal is to basically replace Brufen with ibuprofen. I think that's a more standard and appropriate name. So how can we do it? So I will basically create a mutate and I will write therapy 2 and I will just use gsub. So gsub is something where if I give a certain pattern and I I also provide what should be the pattern and what should it be replaced with, and then I basically give where exactly the operation has to be done. So if I write pattern, so this is basically Brufen. I want to replace Brufen with ibuprofen, and I want to basically do it in therapy column. Okay, let's see. Therapy is not found. Okay, I think I did some mistake in the spelling. If I do it now, okay, so you see all the instances of Brufen have been replaced with ibuprofen. And just to clean things up, so what I will do, I will I will basically remove the therapy column and I will rename the new. In this way I just have a single column for therapy. Not find it, I'm sorry. So you see I just have a single column for therapy. uh, I hope this video was useful to you. If you like the video, do subscribe to my channel.